Pop.
What's up, Dallas, Texas? It's your man, Mike Epps. And when I'm in Dallas, I don't use nothing but the best, and that's Dr. G's Chiropractic. He can't have your back unless you got your back right. Right? Dr. G's Chiropractic. Man, I'm feeling good already.
So ready, just relax right there, just. How'd that feel?
That was good.
Is it good? All right, let's check this other side. Okay, so we're gonna kind of come right here. Just put a little pressure right. It's not bad, right?
Not bad at all.
Good deal.
Yeah.
You hear? See?
I need to be adjusted, huh?
Oh yeah, dude, especially that right side. I'm gonna use this roller. It's 40 pounds, just tell me if it's too much. It'll loosen everything up though. That all right?
Yeah.
All right, man. Man, who's opening up for you today? I know Rudy is, and
Yeah.
who else?
That's all.
That's it? Oh, shoot, that's going to be a nice show.
I got a couple people opening.
Y'all got a long bit then, huh? You tell me if it's too much, man. I know it's heavy. Yeah, that's the side that's tight, dude. You're side sleeper, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah!
You all right? That's good right there. Ooh, man. Wait, just relax. I'm gonna put a little pressure. It's gonna be a pop. Good. 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 Go ahead and flip over on your back. Yeah, man, it's just right there, ready to go. I'm just gonna put a little pressure right there. That's not bad. Go ahead and turn this way towards me. We're gonna bend the knee. Just let that leg hang. Good. Let's turn the other way. You're gonna be feeling good, man. Right there, relax. Okay, go ahead and lay on your back, face up. And just relax right there. Good. Whew. All right, go. Come on up and tell the camera how you feel, man.
Oh, man. Dr. G, I feel good.
Good deal.